Beloved people of South Africa, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the social activist, the servant of the people of South Africa. I just received a shocking message from my mother, Mthembu. It's a kind of a threat that I should delete these three videos where I spoke about Quattro and how the ANC torture squads killed innocent people who thought they were volunteering to fight apartheid. So this video is my evidence to the police, to everyone, South Africans. Should anything happen to me, should I die tragically or should I disappear, my blood is in the hands of ANC and the military veterans who live in my community, Palm Ridge. Should anything happen to me, this is my evidence. The police must look for Muzikaba, Omulemo, my neighbors, the ones who abuse me every day, the ones who are connected to ANC military veterans, and Mthethwa. I will not be silenced. I will not be silenced, I repeat again. And I will never allow myself to live bowing in silence, to bow down to evil men. I will die speaking my truth. If I die, then revolution will start in South Africa. If something happens to me, revolution will start in South Africa. And the people of South Africa will know the truth about our democracy and the people who rule over us, that we are ruled by terrorists and criminals. The ANC that owes me 156 million is using these foot soldiers, the MKs, to abuse and harass me. So, should anything happen to me, look no further. This is the evidence. If I die, you hear that a woman was killed in her house because I live alone here, you must know that it is my neighbors and the military veterans who stay in this area, Palm Ridge. They must answer. Muzikaba, Mthethwa, and Omulemo, my neighbors, we live in the same street. They must answer for that murder of mine. They are the ones who are the organizers, who are connected to ANC and Cyril Ramaphosa. Thank you.